All right, it's time to wake up. All right. Good morning, folks. I'm having a little nap after my edible to Morrison Springs. It is July 4th today. Let me show what I do have inside. This is my working computer table. This is my monitor behind me. Let me show me. This is me in a mirror. Here I do charge my batteries. And outside you see Morrison Springs, and it is 6 o'clock right now. And over here my new air conditioner unit, what I have to connect with outlet with outside window. You see lights behind me still on. I do parked in Morrison Springs. Let's go and see how water looks like. I saw some teens riding mopeds, but it's officials taking care of a trash can. This is our beach. And water level is absolutely normal. It is after sun rays, and you see sun hits top of trees in a Morrison Springs. I'm standing on a walk path, on a wooden walk path, where jumpers like to jump. This is ladder down on the east side. And what paid my attention, look at these roots of a cypress tree. And that top line indicate a maximum water level, what happens sometimes. So that walk platform sometimes gets underwater. Sun is risen behind gazebo, and it is time to do something. Before I go diving, I have to do my job. I do have to fix air conditioner duct what goes inside of a front window in my van, and I have to weld here a special channel. To cut a piece of aluminum, I pre-model out of a cardboard, and cardboard will lay somewhere here. Okay, this is a machine, what I'm cutting this. It has so many teeth, and this is basically is a grinder. You will see how it's work. I didn't have enough material, but whatever I need, I could add. Welding is not a problem. Okay, now bending. I need to find something with a 6 inches in diameter. Okay, folks, I think it's about 6 inches, more or less. So let's do it. Okay, I got C-clamp attached to a tree, and now let's do little bit bumping on that side. How to stand for you so you get better. Okay, what we have right now, I think I got almost what I need. Let me bring a measure tape. Okay, this is my opening, and this is my diameter, what I got. And as I said, I want 6 inches. So let's see how we get here 6 inches. Okay, very close to, I say 6.5 in between 6. All right, folks, the very first part a conical acceptor or diffuser is done, it will look outside that way, inside this way. I don't care about weld beads inside, because anyway I have to insulate it. And now I have to create here 6 inches ring to mount air hose from air conditioner. And it's about 9 o'clock, it's time for diving. See what is in front of that tree, what's in front of me on the front camera. Alright folks, I'm done with welding and it looks that way, bright and shiny. The mounting ring is already welded. There is some little spaces on the weld bits, but I don't care, because what I have to do, I have completely insulate that part outside, so it will not transfer heat when it blow hot air through. Got food in a very good restaurant, and now when I recuperate my power, it is time to test a new device. Okay, looks like it's good sight for you to watch it. It comes here nice and easy. Alright, I was worried that it's got little bit bends after welding, but that way it stands in, and now I have eliminated that space. And to eliminate that space, I have to find the key that is really bad, and I have to put on ignition. Rolling window up. Wow! Everything good and everything stands. Okay, this is open door, and you see window came exactly above the edge of aluminum, whatever you called it. And it sits here really tight. Well, I did some mistake. I made false cut here, but since I do have a welder, it will be easy to weld back. Okay, testing one more. Opening and closing the door with that. This is a driver's seat, new made duct. I think I even be able to drive with it. And this is new removable air conditioner unit. This is my head and eyes level. I do see through that mirror completely. And I could use the bottom side of that window, and if I need to look at, I could go down about like that, so I could look at the road. So I will be able to drive with that new mounted air conditioner duct. But surely for not long distance.